Hello students, I wanted to make this quick video to help you troubleshoot with any issues that you may have with Blackboard or launching MindTap. So even though you may not be registered in medical terminology, this still applies to you because I'm using Cengage Unlimited in all of my classes, and so if you're having issues launching your MindTap assignments, this video will help you to adjust your settings. So the first thing we want to do is from course information. You'll have this little folder here. Click on that and you'll run the system check, and you should get all green checks. If you do get all green checks, you're good. If you have any red X's, then you'll need to click on this link and it'll give you step-by-step instructions on how to adjust your settings depending on what system you're using. So even though you get all green check marks, you still may run into some issues once you're launching the actual assignment. So from coursework, I'm just going to go into chapter 1, and it's normally with the learning labs that you get this issue. So I'm going to click on that, and it's launching Cengage. You may be required to log in with your username and password. But once you click Start Assignment, this is where a lot of you get hung up. It just stays on loading course and it doesn't do anything. But just depending, for Google Chrome, it's this little icon here. If you're using Internet Explorer, you may run into more issues. I would definitely recommend that you use Google or Firefox. So you have free download, so I would highly recommend you use either one of those browsers. So from the icon, notice that even though I got green check marks, it's blocking it from this page. So from the page that you're getting the issue, you click on this little icon and then you make sure that you select allow. Now even though you may have allow default, it won't work, so make sure to change it to allow. So I'm going to change all of these to allow and reload the page, and that should launch the learning lab. I wanted to give you one more example. So this is just a different type of MindTap launch. So I'm going to go into module 1 and just launch it from there. And it looks like everything's gonna work, but then I get to this page and again, same issue, it's not doing anything, it's just a white blank page. So if I click on this little icon here, again it's blocked from here, so if I allow it, it should launch it now. And so there it goes, it's starting to work. So again, I know it's tedious, but once you fix it in that initial page, once you launch MindTap and adjust it on those settings, you shouldn't have to keep adjusting them with every single lesson. It just takes that one time and it'll save your settings, and you should be able to proceed. But if you keep getting that issue, just make sure to adjust your computer settings. There's not anything that I can do or Cengage or anything like that. It's just your computer that you're using that needs to be adjusted, and then you should be able to run it with no issues. If you have any problems, please email me. I'll be happy to help you, walk you through. Again, I apologize for any of the issues that you may have running the system, but this should take care of most of the issues that you have.